Welcome aboard Royal Caribbean in 2026, your ultimate cruise experience across the Caribbean. From luxury suites to budget-friendly rooms, there's something for every traveler. Enjoy world-class dining, thrilling excursions, and unforgettable entertainment. From Broadway-style shows to surf simulators at sea, explore top destinations like the Bahamas, Jamaica, and Cozumel, or relax on Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Expect total costs between $1,200 and $3,500 per person, depending on your package, excursions, and travel preferences. Whether you're cruising for adventure, relaxation, or luxury, this guide has everything you need. Stick around for the bonus in this free guide to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MimView Travel Channel for more travel guides like this. Royal Caribbean offers a wide range of staterooms to match every budget. Interior rooms typically start around $120 to $250 per night, while ocean view cabins range from $180 to $350. Balcony rooms, one of the most popular options, usually cost between $250 and $600 per night. For luxury travelers, suites can range from $700 up to $1,200 or more per night, offering premium amenities, concierge service, and private lounge access. Choosing the right room depends on your budget and how much time you plan to spend enjoying the ocean views. Understanding the ship layout is key to maximizing your cruise experience. Royal Caribbean ships are like floating cities, with multiple decks dedicated to dining, entertainment, shopping, and relaxation. Lower decks typically house cabins, while upper decks feature pools, attractions, and scenic views. The central promenade is where you'll find shops, cafes, and live entertainment. Take time on day one to explore the ship so you can easily navigate to your favorite spots throughout your trip. Dining on board is a major highlight. Your cruise fare includes access to complimentary dining options like the main dining room and Windjammer Buffet. Specialty restaurants such as Chop's Grill, Izumi, and Giovanni's Table offer upgraded dining experiences ranging from about $25 to $80 per person. Whether you're craving steak, sushi, or international cuisine, there's something for every taste. Booking specialty dining in advance can help you secure the best times and save money. Shopping on board offers a mix of duty-free deals and luxury items. You'll find everything from jewelry and watches to souvenirs and cruise-branded gear. Prices vary widely. Souvenirs may start around $10, while designer items can cost several $100s or more. Duty-free alcohol and fragrances are also popular purchases. It's a great way to grab gifts or treat yourself while enjoying tax-free pricing. Royal Caribbean nightlife is vibrant and diverse. From live music lounges to nightclubs and casinos, there's entertainment for every vibe. Entry is usually included, but drinks can range from $8 to $15 each, unless you purchase a beverage package, which typically costs around $70 to $100 per day. Whether you prefer dancing, live shows, or relaxing with a cocktail, the nightlife scene keeps the energy going well into the night. Caribbean itineraries often include top destinations like the Bahamas, Cozumel, Jamaica, and St. Thomas. Each port offers a unique experience, from white sand beaches to cultural tours and adventure activities. Port stops are included in your cruise fare, but what you do there can vary in cost depending on your activities. Planning your stops in advance ensures you get the most out of each destination. Excursions are one of the best ways to explore each destination. Popular options include snorkeling, ziplining, cultural tours, and beach escapes. Prices typically range from $50 to $300 per person, depending on the activity. Booking through Royal Caribbean provides convenience and reliability, but independent tours may offer lower prices. Choose excursions that match your interests and energy level for the best experience. Entertainment on board is world-class and included in your cruise fare. Enjoy Broadway-style productions, comedy shows, ice skating performances, and high-energy aqua theater shows. There's no extra cost for most performances, but reservations are recommended for popular shows. Every night offers something new, making entertainment a key highlight of your cruise. From resort-style pools to thrilling activities, there's no shortage of fun. Try the surf simulator, water slides, rock climbing walls, or zip lines. Most activities are included, but some specialty experiences may have additional fees. Whether you're relaxing poolside or seeking adrenaline, there's something for everyone on board. Public spaces include lounges, observation decks, libraries, and relaxation areas. These spaces are perfect for unwinding, socializing, or enjoying ocean views. Many are included in your cruise experience and require no additional cost. Finding your favorite quiet spot can make your trip even more enjoyable. Getting to your departure port is an important part of planning. Flights to major cruise ports like Miami, Orlando, or Fort Lauderdale typically range from $150 to $600 round trip, depending on your location and timing. Booking early can help you secure lower fares. Always plan to arrive at least one day before departure to avoid delays. Boarding your cruise is a smooth process when you're prepared. Expect security checks, document verification, and check-in procedures similar to airports. Boarding usually begins several hours before departure. Arriving early can help you avoid long lines and start your vacation sooner. The Caribbean offers warm tropical weather year-round, typically ranging from the mid-70s to mid-80s. Pack essentials like sunscreen, swimwear, comfortable shoes, and light clothing. Bringing a waterproof bag and portable charger can also enhance your experience during excursions. Do plan ahead, book excursions early, and keep track of time at ports. Don't miss your ship's departure. It won't wait. Avoid overpacking and be mindful of onboard rules. Following these tips ensures a smooth and stress-free cruise experience. Travel requirements may include a valid passport, government-issued ID, and cruise documentation. Requirements can vary depending on your itinerary. Always verify current regulations before departure to avoid issues at boarding or ports. Safety is a top priority on board. You'll participate in a mandatory safety drill before departure. Ships are equipped with advanced security systems and trained staff. While ports are generally safe, always stay aware of your surroundings and follow local guidelines. Respect local cultures when visiting ports. Dress appropriately, be polite, and support local businesses. Learning a few local phrases can also enhance your experience and show respect for the communities you visit. One of the most popular routes is a 7-day Caribbean loop from Miami, stopping in the Bahamas, Cozumel, and Jamaica. This itinerary offers a balance of relaxation and adventure, making it ideal for first-time cruisers. Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay, is a standout destination. Enjoy beaches, water parks, and exclusive experiences. Some activities are included, while premium experiences can cost extra. It's one of the highlights of any Caribbean cruise. Staying connected at sea is easier than ever. Wi-Fi packages typically range from $15 to $30 per day. Whether you're working remotely or staying in touch, reliable internet is available throughout the ship. Let's break down the total cost for your Royal Caribbean cruise experience so you can plan with confidence. Starting with your cruise fare, expect to spend around $1,200 to $1,300 per person, which typically includes your room, meals, and onboard entertainment. Next, transportation, flights, and transfers can range from about $400 to $500, depending on your departure city and how early you book. If you're staying before or after your cruise, hotel costs usually fall between $500 and $700 for a comfortable stay near the port. Food and drinks, outside of your included cruise dining, can add another $300 to $400, especially if you enjoy specialty restaurants or beverage packages. Excursions are one of the highlights, with activities like snorkeling, island tours, and adventures costing around $400 to $600 total. And finally, extras and fees like tips, Wi-Fi, and onboard purchases can add approximately $200 to $300. Altogether, your total estimated cruise cost comes to around $3,400 to $3,500 per person. Keep in mind, prices are estimates and may vary based on travel dates, booking time, and personal preferences. Plan smart, budget ahead, and enjoy your cruise stress-free. If you love travel, cruises, and detailed guides like this, you're in the right place. MimView Travel Channel brings you destinations, tips, and full breakdowns to help you travel smarter. From luxury trips to budget guides, we cover it all. Thank you for watching this Royal Caribbean Cruise Guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MimView Travel Channel. Your support helps us bring you more travel content every week. See you on your next adventure.